Hello everyone, now I will show you how to make a wizard form in multi-step form way. Just go to add new form, then choose this option, multi-step form, and choose the blank template. There it is. Add your form name, multi-step form test, and then just add a new form on here. This is the initial form. Then add, for example, we will try to reproduce similar like the template. For example, we can go again. I will do again just to show you that template. For example, this is the template. Okay, you can see on here how it looks. You can see in the preview form. This is how it works. Look at this. There it is. That's it. You can see here the forms, the connections. This is like a flow, a workflow. Okay, now I will try to reproduce this just for testing purposes. Blank form, multi-step form, test v2. Okay, add new form. This is the initial form. Then add other form. I will add other form on here, other form on here, and the last form. Okay, then you can just add the connections, and that's it. Okay, I will edit this form. For example, also we can add a progress bar on here. Just activating this option, enable progress bar. And since we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, I will add 4 steps. There it is. Then I will initial form. I will rename these forms. I think this is student. This is like teacher. I don't know. Admin. Probably this is user information. Just a review. And that's it. Okay. Example. Information test user information review, and then I can add initial form. The second is student. It could be teacher, it could be admin. Then the third step is user information, and the last one, review. That's it. So we are now in the initial form. I will add like text area, probably like an email. I will add a validation as well. Also, I can just add an skin. Okay. Also the progress bar, I think, could be inner. That's it. And we need the buttons. The previous button, the next button. Since this is the initial forms, we need just the next button. So I will add this one. Submit button. This is just next. And the action is next. Okay. Then go to here, student. I will let us select list. Put any option here. Great. Okay. Option 1. Okay. Probably text area. And then we need to add the buttons. In this case, I will add this button here. Then the next button as well. We need to edit this one. For example, here, just to introduction to previous, and this one is next. There it is. Or you can change the skin. We will add on here. Can add this one. Score. Okay. Maybe some checkbox. There it is. And then the buttons. Okay, this is previous prep. Okay. Okay, we are good. I will add this one. Then this one. For the admin form. Okay. Some ready button. Okay. Okay, this is previous. The next. Okay. Then go to user information. As you can see, option. You can add any option. Okay. I will add the buttons. Previous. Next. Okay, this is the last one. I will add a checkbox just to validate. Accept terms and conditions. There it is. I will add a validation that sits in the buttons. Okay, this is the previous. Okay, this is the submit button. Okay, I think that's it. I'm saving the form, but I forgot something. I forgot the connections. So I will add them here, add a new connection. Okay, if we choose a connection on here, you can see when we add a connection, there's nothing. It's because we didn't add a select list or checkboxes. That's why. So we need to add that in order to just choose and see which form should go. In this case, I will add a select list, or you can add a checkbox or a ready button. In this case, I will add a select list. Okay. Type student, teacher, admin. There it is. And there it is. This is the conditional for this one. If it's a student, go to this student form. Then this one, if so I will choose teacher option. So if this connection is if the select list have teacher option, go to this form. And the last one, if the select list of the initial form is admin, go to this form. That's it. Then just save changes, preview, and you can see, for example, let's see if the validation works. You can see it works. Test, you can choose this one, teacher. There it is. Accept terms. There it is. You can see it's working. For example, in my test, I chose this one. For example, student form, I will add a title on here. Student. Okay. I will choose student. You can choose one. In this case, just student. You can see It's working fine. Also the progress bar. Here the information, the last one. And there it is. You can see it's working. You can add any conditionals on here. So with this way, you can create many forms and connections. And you can build your complex form in an easy way using this interface, which is more friendly than the single form. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.